Manufacturing low volumes of capsules without flow agents, such as magnesium stearate, is easy. If your contract factory is actually encapsulating without flow agents, then they are most likely relying on semi-automatic encapsulation machines. High-volume encapsulations have to rely on fully automatic encapsulation machines. Once you scale up, contract manufacturers will want to encapsulate using automatic encapsulation machines that require, so they say, synthetic flow agents. Not at PureNSM. We have experience in encapsulating in high volume, fast and efficiently using only 100% natural flow agents without magnesium stearate and without the supposedly natural rice extracts that contain seed oils.
So how can we achieve what other contract factories cannot? It's a combination of different things. PureNSM relies more on process than chemicals. We granulate, mill, and sift the powder for a more perfect blend and flow. In addition, we use NutriFlow 8, an all-natural flow agent containing granulated and finely milled and sifted ingredients from bamboo and leucine. In addition, we also use other, not so well-known, all-natural flow agents. On top of that, we have a variety of encapsulation machines and will match your run size with the perfect machine. For example, if you want over 1 million capsules, we put your job on either a 2500 or 3700 machine. If you want over 3 million capsules, it has to go on the 3700 machine.